In this video I'm going to make hot chocolate in a microwave. Get some 2% milk in this case. You could also use whole milk. I wouldn't recommend skim milk. Put it in there. Set it for 1 minute at high temperature. Now, what should I do? Should I just cut? I mean, you want to wait for the whole minute? Because there's another minute coming up after this minute. See, after this minute is over, I'm going to take it out, stir it up so that it doesn't, well, like a skim might form on the top if I don't like stir it after the first minute. And you don't want to cook it for really more than 2 minutes because it'll boil over. And then after well, okay, so we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Man, why is it so hot? Maybe it just needs 1 minute. I don't. That's hot. Whew. Man, why is it so hot? Why is it now? This is, see, I've got that plate in there. Whew, that is, maybe I'm just, this is, see, you learn something new. I never used a plate before, but I just thought I would put that plate in there. This isn't hot. This plate is not hot. But this is hot. Oh, man, that is really hot. I'm looking for a pot holder so I can pull that out without burning my hand. Let me see if I can find it. Or something. Paper towel or something. Ooh. But the funny thing is the milk isn't really that hot, so I'm going to stir it up again. Stir it. I wonder why the mug is so hot. I don't know. Yeah, but see, the water wasn't, or the milk wasn't really that hot. After, okay, and at the end of 41 seconds, I'm going to use some of this Ovaltine. Now you can't. Well, it says place 4 teaspoons Ovaltine in mug. Well, microwave. Heat 8 ounces of milk in microwave, safe mug, for 1.5 minutes or until hot. Add 4 tablespoons of Ovaltine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 heaping teaspoons of Ovaltine. Whew. So, get this thing here. Man, that handle is very hot, very, very hot. I don't, oh man, that is a hot handle. This helps. I guess, I don't want to like smell it. And this handle is extremely hot. But the milk isn't Well, milk. It's hot. It's not that hot. Not ridiculous. I mean, it's what it's supposed to be. It's hot. See, I'm going to put 2 heaping teaspoons of this in there. Novocaine. Stir. Okay, well, there's your hot chocolate. And you can always put some whipped cream on. There's your hot chocolate with whipped cream.